Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope all is well with you and your family. Today we are doing our first Christmas holiday decor. Yeah! I went to Home Goods and Michael's. I got some new stuff. You guys are going to see them in the video today. The boys were adamant about helping me today, but it was almost the bedtime, so they're just gonna help me out a little bit before they go to bed. I would love it if you keep watching so you can see the final look. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you in advance for giving this video a thumbs up, and please share it with all of your friends and your family. And to my returning Glam Squad, you guys are the best. I appreciate all of your love and your support. Many of the things that I'm using today were on my last home decor haul, my Christmas haul. If you have seen this video, I'm sure you know where everything came from. If you forgot or if you didn't get a chance to see it, I will link the video at the end of this video and in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Later on, I'm gonna go over the new things and the things that I haven't used in a long time. Okay guys, this is the final look. It is very simple, but yet again very beautiful and super glam. You're gonna see that I play around a lot with the flower, the centerpiece flower. You will see that shortly. I love how it turns out. Of course, super glam. On the floral arrangement, I'm using a couple of bunches of calla lilies. I'm not sure if I'm not supposed to use calla lilies for Christmas, but I'm using them. They add a nice little red in the centerpiece. These bunches are from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. The red deers are from Michael's. I got them today. Guys, what do you think about my Christmas decor so far? I want to hear your thought. Please leave a comment, let me know what's your favorite item. Over here on the console table, I have the 2 red branches that are from Michaels. I got them today. And the 2 tea light candle holders are from Tuesday morning. And the rest of the candle holders are from Home Goods and Home Sense. And the floral arrangement is a combination of flowers from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. But I wanted to see what the 2 deers would look like on the console table, so I add them in. Glam Corn from Burlington and tall silver vase Macy's backstage. These battery operated candles are from Home Goods. They came in a pack of 7. I really like them. They all work really well, except this one. It chooses to work whenever he wants to. So it is what it is. Tell me guys, do you like the deals more on this console table or on the other table? Over here, I keep it simple. The placemat was a DIY. I will leave a link for you guys. Of course, you know, the Glam chargers are from Tuesday morning. Dinner plates and napkins are from Home Goods. I bought 2 bunches of flowers from Michaels at $6 each. Broke them into 6 pieces to make the floral arrangement on the plates. Here I'm using my old champagne glass that I got from Home Goods many years ago. And in the middle setting, I'm using my new champagne glass that I got from TJ Maxx that was on the haul. Now I don't have the deers on the table anymore. I replaced them by 2 tea light candle holders from Tuesday morning. My candle holder, I got this one today from Home Goods. I got 2 of them, 1 on each side of the table. I'm very happy. They are so sparkly. I left my tags on all of my things because that's the only way I will remember where I purchased them from. Yes, you guys, this beautiful luxurious throw is from Home Goods. I was so excited about it. When I got to Home Goods today, I saw it. I was so happy. So luxurious, so velvety, so comfy, and super heavy too. I love it. Glam pillow from Home Goods. I bought it over 7 years ago, and the white pillow from my local store. Home Goods have a lot more things now from the last time I did my Christmas shop with me video. Check them out. I'm so glad I have all the gray and the silver things in this room. They match perfectly with this decor. Guys, if we can get this video to get to 1500 views and 100 likes in the first 24 hours, I will definitely do another Christmas/holidays decor. Please share it with all of your friends and your family to help me get to that 1500 views in 24 hours. And while you're at it, if you have not, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't leave without doing that, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload the next video. I thank you so much for your time today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. You know I love you. Mwah!